At Perkins School of Theology at SMU, faith and ministry are living conversations where reflection meets inquiry, where complex questions inspire discovery, and where every voice is heard and valued. Registration is now open for the Perkins Fall Convocation happening November 10th and 11th. Join us for 2 inspiring days of lectures, conversations, and renewal for ministry and leadership. Together, we'll explore how ministry shapes our faith, our leadership, and the communities we serve today and for generations to come. This year's convocation offers a distinguished lecture series across diverse fields, from preaching to Hispanic theology, from mission to community engagement, and to a further exploration of United Methodist studies. Join us. Bring your questions, your story, and your spirit. Together, let's shape the conversations that will help shape the future of faith and leadership. Register now at smu.edu/Perkins/FC25.